It's Tips and Tricks with Tyler and Terry. It'll roll out.
Hold up. I need TNT here.
What's up, Donnie?
Hey guys, I got some match lines in my mat I need to take out.
Which ones are you concerned about? The ones on the left side of the road or the ones on the right side of the road?
The ones on the left side.
Okay, well that's good because the ones on the right side aren't really a big issue because that lets us know that the screed is on plane.
Okay.
They're gonna come and go. But these on this side, they need to come out. So we're gonna simply do that by adjusting our vertical height down with those buttons. And we're gonna make it to where there's just a little bit of a match line so we know that more of the weight is on the screed or the main and not the extension.
Okay, so what do I do about the lines I have now?
Don't worry, Donnie.
It'll roll out.
Yeah, I got you, bud.
Fire it up!
So what you wanna do, Donnie, is you wanna adjust the extension down just a little bit at a time, just so we see a little bit of a match line.
Okay. There we go.
There we go.
I think that's about got it out.
Tyler, you want to go old school?
Let's do it.
Michael? Denny? I don't think so.
Well, that was weird.
I know, right? Hey, Dan, get on the mat.
Thanks, Dan. Yep, I remember my first time paving.
And don't worry, guys, Tips and Tricks on Hom Rollers is coming soon.